Guys, Teacher Peter here with the Guana Marine Group, and I'm standing aboard this beautiful tri-tune. This is a Godfrey Sweetwater 2486 SB. SB standing for split bench. You have dual benches in the front, dual benches in the back, tons of storage throughout. Movable cup holders. We'll just take that out of the way, flip up the seats, tons of storage down below. Beautiful stitching all the way throughout the seating. Huge storage down below. You can fit the kids down there, all the goodies. Simrad, mapping, GPS, RGB light package, chilled cup holder, DTS. With this boat, you're going to have an Impact Plus tune system. That is Godfrey's rough water package. 27-inch outers, 29-inch center, 17-person capacity. 17 people on this 25-foot boat. Split bench style in the back. Dual batteries, electric bimini, amazing ladder, 200 horse Mercury Verado. All the great features we have, we're going to have a bunch of other options. Come down and see us.